My name is James Goodman. I am now Contracts Director at Glanville. So we primarily work in the utilities industry. We have a large civil engineering arm. We also have a cleansing division. We like to see ourselves as offering the full suite of services across the drainage industry, right up to huge civil engineering jobs where we're replacing kilometres of pipelines for water authorities and other bodies. Many or all businesses would say they want to head towards paperless anyway, one because of the difficulties with that and the processing of it. Also heading towards a carbon neutral position, we want to become paperless. That was a big thing to get rid of, job packs and paperwork going to and fro site. Communication to and from site was the biggie. So we have crews out working right across the South West, and we're then asking them to give feedback back to us on information they're gathering in the field and feedback on the works they're doing. Bring that into a digital area so that information was clean and quick and efficient has been a real key item. One thing it has personally been able to allow me to do is when I go into tender presentations or tender situations with either existing clients or new clients and they want us to collect bespoke data from the field, I can confidently say, yes, we can design a form to capture exactly that and we can make it come out in the format you want. We're currently working on a timesheet which is very bespoke to us, so we've been able to use the calculators within the form to undertake the work before it gets back to the office. I would recommend Reflow. I have recommended Reflow, and we've also benefited from other clients of Reflow where they have asked for implementation to come in and it's benefited us. Reflow is more open and pliable to what we want, and so that intuitive nature of it allows us to work our way through using it without having to be steered through different sections of the software.